The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sublette, or 7 miles southeast of Amboy, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mendota, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Compton, and West Brooklyn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.